If you are new here, my name is Dave Van West and I make military videos, and today we're talking about getting tased. How does it feel? What does it look like? Yeah. So this is gonna be a quick short video. How does it feel to get tased? I'm not gonna lie, whenever I got tased at basic officer leadership course in Fort Leonard Wood, Missouri, I did not know what was going through my body, right? Like in terms of before I got tased, I did not know. But seeing everyone else get tased, it really pumped me up because I was really nervous. I'm not gonna lie, I was really scared, like having electricity, having that flow through your body, right? So, you know, I stepped up. You had one person on your right, one person on your left, and they were holding you so that whenever you do get tased, you're gonna fall to the ground. Well, they're gonna take you to the ground slowly because you're not gonna have no control. Well, it depends on where you get tased at. But we got tased with the prongs. So we had a prong. I had one hooked up to my lower back on the right, and I had one hooked up to my thigh. And you know, they say state your name, or whatever they want to say or sing. And I had to sing the army song, so I was like, march along, sing our song. And there's other people like by me, so I'm not gonna get too loud. But what I'm saying is, you know, I got tased just like that. So I got tased, and I was singing. It really just, it sucked a lot. But after getting tased 5 seconds, you know, I was sitting there, I was like, whoa, so how did this feel? How did it feel? In the first 2 seconds I was getting tased, I was like, whoa, what's gonna happen? Even though it was already happening. And on the third second, I was like, okay, like this sucks. Like my muscles were just tensed up and I like could not do anything. And literally after the 5 seconds, like your hair just like tensed up, and then you drop. After getting tased, you get up, you feel so relaxed. Like, I feel like you just had like 10,000 massages from some Buddha or God or something, and you're just like, whoa. I had a lot of relaxation. That's how it felt. It felt really good, actually. I felt relaxed. How many times could I say relax in this video? Wow. But yes, getting tased, it sucks. It's only 5 seconds. You're gonna feel relaxed afterwards. It's really not that it's not really much to say about how, you know, getting tased feels, but you know, when you go to BOLC, or if they offer this, why not get that certification, ride the lightning wave, or ride the white pony, like run it up, you got this. With that being said, everybody have a great night. No matter where you are or wherever you are in this world, smile, because smiling is great. Even if you're going through something, you know, smile. If you're going through something, you need something, like hit me up in the comment sections below. If someone else is going through something, you see them in the comment section, say hi, tell them it's alright, it's okay. Like, we will get through this. And if you just can't get through getting tased, look at your battle buddies, let them pump you up. Especially if you're an officer, think about what your soldiers are going to be thinking. Think about how you might be downrange one day. So 5 seconds, you can ride the white pony for 5 seconds, right? I'm not condoning, you know, getting tased or trying to make you get tased. You know, it's either or. Like, if you have to, all right, cool. If you don't, you know, you'll still be fine. But just think about the benefits of being tased in the long run versus the short term of you. So don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Think about how getting tased can help you, right? But yes, with that being said, I'm out.